Want to try a different style to fry this type of fish?
Maayong adlaw ka na taga-tanan labi na gayud sa akong mga avid followers, friends, and viewers. Guys, wanna try this simply tastier yet yummy fried fish? Let's go and watch it out. Our main character here is a sardine fish. Now it's mixture time. Here I mixed all the ingredients together, such as chili powder, turmeric powder, garlic ginger paste, salt and pepper to taste, and of course, don't forget the coconut oil. You know why I prefer to use coconut oil? It's because it gives aroma to our fish. Kasi nga 'di ba malangsi yung fish. O 'di ba? When doing this guys, we have to mix it well para ma-spread yung lasa ng ating mga mixtures. To make it perfect, gamitan natin ang kamay, o diba? Kasi daw, ang kamay mas lalong nagpapasarap sa ating niluluto. Charot! Will you agree with me guys? Kaya gamitan ng kamay. Masa-masa to the max. I think it's okay na siya. Kaya hindi tuin sa mga maaarte guys na mag-mix using yung kamay kasi magiging colorful yung mga nails ninyo. Diba? Since the mixture is ready, I spread it out inside and outside of the body of the fish. O diba? Ilagay ng mabuti at ispread ng mabuti sa katawan ng ating sardines para, alam niyo na, masarap mamaya. Gawin natin to sa lahat ng fish. 1 kg fish lang naman to guys. And we're done. Here is the result. O diba, napaka-colorful. What do you think guys? Is this spicy, yummy, or what? What do you think? So our next step is, let's keep it aside muna for another few minutes para ma-absorb yung kanyang mixture. O diba? After a few minutes, it's frito time. O diba? And once again, I still use coconut oil to fry this fish. And charan! And here it is. Mukhang sunog lang siya guys. It's because of the mixtures that we used. So self, what are you waiting for? Go and get the rice. Enjoy self. Bawal ang diet. Back! Do you like it? Then try it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!